Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, so for today's episode, we are going to discuss everything about micro bags. And in my prediction, these micro bags would no longer be a trend and would be here with us forever and ever. And it's not a secret that I do adore my micro bags. So I have from Louis Vuitton, Fendi, Prada, and more. But for today's episode, we are not going to discuss these very expensive micro bags. Because for today's episode, I'm going to share to you 10 most affordable micro bags that is under 700 USD. Yes, you heard it right. So guys, don't sleep on these micro bags that I'll be sharing for you today because of course their style is very modern and very trendy, and of course it has a very good quality. So guys, please make sure you watch until the end of the episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so for the very first 4 bags that I'm going to share to you guys would be from Tory Burch. So I'm going to do everything by brand. So the very first one is of course the NANO quilted bag. Price is $298 US. So let's check first the dimension because of course we are speaking of micro bags. So the height of this one is 8.5 cm, length 10.5 cm, depth 2.5 cm. The material is made of nappa leather with microfiber lining and suede-like finish. And of course, the feature that I love with this bag of course is the flap with turn lock closure, and it comes also with a chain that you could wear as a shoulder bag, as a necklace, or as a crossbody bag. So this is super cute guys, but of course with its size we cannot expect that you could fit a phone. You could carry this one as mostly as a card holder, so that's what I'm going to use it. It really looks luxurious, and as you can see the model is wearing it and it really looks nice, right? And I believe that the quilted bag is one of the core line of Tory Burch. Alright, for bag number 2, still at Tory Burch, is the mini T monogram color block tote for $428 US. So guys, this one I have seen in stores, so I'm going to put a short clip here because I have visited Tory Burch recently and this actually called my attention. So let's just check first what is the material of this one. So it says here that it could fit all phone sizes up to iPhone 13 Pro Max or Samsung Galaxy Note 20. So 56% cotton, 44% polyester jacquard leather trim. And what I love about this one, of course, it comes with a brass hardware, microfiber lining with suede-like finish. So this one, I super love this one. So the reason why it called me, my love for these kind of small tote bags. As you can see here, I have my Louis Vuitton Petite Sac Plat. So again, it comes in different style, in different variation. Super love this one, and of course the jacquard plus the monogram of Tory Burch. This one looks really expensive. Alright, bag number 3, still from Tory Burch, is the T monogram patent embossed mini barrel for only $478 US. So let us check first the dimension of this one. Height is 12 centimeters. Length, it has a good length, 18.5 centimeters. Depth is 11.5 centimeters. Material is patent leather with genuine leather trim. Microfiber lining with suede-like finish. Brass hardware with zipper closure, and comes with fully detachable shoulder strap. This one guys, I super love the patent leather finish of this bag. Of course, it's very reminiscent of Louis Vuitton. I would say the Louis Vuitton Speedy 20. And if you are going to zoom in, take a look on the zipper because I reviewed some of the feedback with the Speedy and they're saying it's a little bit difficult to close and open, but this one, the zipper would go a little bit to the side, so I feel that the zipper is a little bit wider for you to be able to fit most of the essentials that you need, like your phone, card holder. This one is super good and also comes in different color and variations as well. Alright, so for bag number 4, still with Tory Burch, this one is my favorite, would be the Radziwill Petite bag. So it's $548 US. comes in different colors. So it comes in cream, it comes in the brown color, and it comes in black as well. So let us check first the dimension. So it says here, it fits all phone sizes to iPhone 11 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Top handle with 4 inches drop, and the dimension height is 13 centimeters, length is 20.5 centimeters, depth is 5.5 centimeters, made of specially treated Italian leather. So this one, guys, super love. The reason I was able to discover this one is because I was watching one of the bag collection here in YouTube, and she mentioned this one. I'm not really sure if this is the one that she has, because on the model it looks a little bit bigger. I'm going to put the photo that she discussed on her bag collection, which I feel is a little bit smaller compared to this one, but anyway, still a very beautiful bag from Tory Burch. Alright, so for bag number 5 would be from the brand Staud. So again, guys, I'm not really sure if that's how you pronounce it, because this is a new brand for me, and I'm so happy I was able to find this brand here. So for the price of this one is only 150 USD. So it comes in 2 colors. We have here like this green color, and then comes in this nude pink color. So the material of this one, it's made of polished calf leather crossbody bag. Dimension width is 5 inches, height 5 inches, depth 1.8 inches, and strap drop of 24 inches. So as we know, guys, the hobo bag is in rage right now. All of the luxury brands from Louis Vuitton to even Chanel has their own version of the hobo bag, but this one, I love their take on the hobo bag. Plus, of course, it's a micro bag. It's super cute. Again, we cannot expect that it would fit our phone, but just look how cute and versatile it is. So unlike the Jody hobo bag of Bottega, which doesn't come with a shoulder strap, this one you could attach a shoulder strap so you could wear it as a crossbody. Plus, I believe it has a magnetic lock closure. Super cute and very good addition to your collection. Right, so for bag number 6, this is from Coach. This is their newest collection, the Coach Rogue 17 in signature textile jacquard with sweetie. So this one, guys, when I initially first saw this one at Instagram, I was immediately drawn on how cute these bags are. So this is very reminiscent to what Fendi released a couple of years back with our beloved Karl Lagerfeld, and of course, like Hermes also released like their own quirky collection of their mini Kellys. This one is so cute, right? So of course, we could be assured, since it's Coach, it's made of 100% genuine leather. It's crafted really well. Plus, of course, if you are like me, if you are someone who wanted a bag that would definitely stand out, that would be definitely unique, then definitely you should get your hands on the Coach Rogue 17 new collection. Alright, so for bag number 7 would be for another new brand for me. So it's Yuzefi. If I'm not mistaken, guys, it is a brand from Spain. So this one is the mini pretzel gum, priced at 295 pounds. So this one, of course, it says here on the description, you could only fit your lipstick. You could wear it as a crossbody or as a handheld. So the dimension width is 15 centimeters, height 17 centimeters, depth 7.5 centimeters, made of Italian cow leather in suede lining. So this one, actually, guys, I'm going to put a short video here because again, I was able to check this one out in our local shop here at Rustan's, and they are carrying Yuzefi. And I was so impressed with this one, guys. I believe this is the smallest size, and it comes with a bigger size. Of course, it's very reminiscent of the Jacquemus Leche. Sorry, guys. It's very reminiscent of Jacquemus Leche. Very reminiscent of the Jacquemus Leche Tito bag. And guys, I love their concept as well. It really looks very modern and very trendy. So if you feel that everyone has the Jacquemus bag, then definitely this could be a good alternative for you. Alright, so for bag number 8 would be another new brand for me. It's the Coperni Paris. So guys, if you are looking for a hobo bag, if you are looking for a structured bag, and if you are looking for a crystal embellished bag, then this is the bag for you. So this is the mini swipe bag for only 650 USD. So let's review first the materials. Of course, this one, is made of 100% genuine leather embellished with crystals. So like what I mentioned, if you are like myself, if you are looking for a trendy bag, a hobo bag, a structured bag, and crystal embellished bag, OMG, this is such a breath of fresh air. Honestly, we still don't have this in the Philippines. I haven't seen this one in person. I would love to see this one, how it looks and how it was embellished. But looking at the photos, guys, OMG, it is really beautiful. So it would be a good alternative, like for example, because Prada encrusted bags are really expensive, and of course, if you don't want to shell that money out and just try first what a crystal bag would look like on your collection, then definitely this is a good one for me. This is one of my favorite from our collection for today. Alright, so next for Coperni Paris. So it's the micro baguette swipe bag for only 595 USD. Comes in two colors. It has the pink and it comes also in black. So this one, of course, is their very own version of, again, the very popular hobo bag. As you can see, it's very structured. I love it's made of genuine leather, of course. I love, guys, that it's very cute. It comes, of course, with a fully detachable shoulder strap, so you could wear it handheld, you could wear it as a shoulder bag, and you could carry it as a crossbody bag. So again, guys, we cannot expect that you could fit everything here. It could just fit your essentials like lipstick, lip gloss, card holder, then some mitt, then definitely still, it looks very modern, very trendy, so you would be able to enjoy a hobo bag without breaking bank. Alright, so for bag number 10, guys, I would be cheating a little bit with our top 10 here because this is the only one that is priced at 858 USD, and it is the micro Antigona bag in box leather. So guys, this one, I'm going to put a short video here because the reason why I wanted to add it here, even though it's outside the 700 USD mark that I mentioned, is because how cute and beautiful it looks. So guys, I have my NANO or the small Antigona that I have, and when I saw this one, I immediately was drawn to it and how cute it is. The very first micro Antigona that Givenchy has released, I'm not really liking it because it doesn't have any top handles. But this one, this is the exact replica of an Antigona bag. So guys, help me out with this one. Do you think I need this one? The only con of this one is because I was thinking if I would be purchasing this one is I would use it as a bag charm for my Antigona. I think you would need to purchase a separate chain strap so you could attach it to your bigger Antigonas. But nevertheless, guys, yes, it's a little bit overpriced, but I would just like to share it to you guys here. There, how did you enjoy our episode for today, guys? Please comment down below which one is your favorite. Me, I would love to have the Tory Burch Radziwill, the Coperni crystal encrusted bag, and of course the Givenchy Antigona. Again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at PremierFi2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!